So, legal abuse is basically when somebody is trying to weaponize the legal system to control, harass, intimidate, coerce, or impoverish someone. So, it's almost like when you're in the relationship, they can get at you day to day in all kinds of ways because you're living together. But when you're out, they're very limited. We always say it's money, kids, in the court, and money in the court go hand in hand because it's so expensive to be in court. It's not just court costs, legal fees, but it's the money that you can't make because you can't work. Like all of the times I've gone to court, I've spent hours and weeks preparing. So that's time, and money is time. So that's really tricky. So legal abuse is generally, there's two ways that it happens. So in my situation, having to be forced to return to court to get someone to comply with legal orders, that's not fair, because again, like I'm the one suffering because I have to go back dozens and dozens of times over years to get enforcement on those orders. And one of the biggest problems in the family court system now is lack of enforcement. You have orders, but there's no consequences, there's no deadlines. And so that's something that I feel like I have gotten through to judges in two different states at this point, where I said, if I have orders without teeth, it means nothing. If my ex has been found in contempt 3 times, now 5 with this last round of orders, but there's no punishment, then you're basically emboldening someone to keep taking advantage. So my being forced to go back to court for my ex to comply with an order, that's a form of legal abuse.